So good morning to all. It is audible.
Yes, ma'am.
So what about my screen? Can you able to see my screen?
Visible, ma'am.
It's okay, fine. So all of you open your Android Studio.
1 minute, ma'am.
Ankit, you only giving response. What about the remaining students? Are you working in Android Studio or just listening? Hello,
Ma'am,
I am
opening,
asking
ma'am.
about you people. Opening. Okay, Janani is working. I am repeatedly telling you just use. If you are not using Android Studio, then no use to studying this subject. How many
Ma'am,
of
it
you
will
take?
take 5 to 10.
Yeah, of course, it will take 5 minutes. Before 5 minutes, class is 11 o'clock. Means you just start your Android Studio at 10:50 itself. What about remaining? So today we are going to see about intent future. Okay, right? We already discussed about what is the use of that intent future. What is the purpose of that intent? Any idea? What is the purpose of intent? You people are always keeping silence. Nobody is having answer for this
Yes,
question.
ma'am.
What is the purpose of using intent? What is it?
Ma'am, messaging object, ma'am, where you
Okay,
can
fine, good.
request.
Messaging. Okay, fine. From one
Where you
activity
can.
to another activity, if you want to send some data, if you want to some pass some message, means with the help of this intent we can pass, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So for our Android application, we can't say we can use only one activity. Okay, we can use more than one activity. Okay, so in between that we have to pass some data, pass some information, means we can make use of this intent object. Is it clear? How many of you taking notes?
Yes, ma'am.
I think nobody is taking notes except Ankit. Ankit only giving answer for all my questions. Remaining peoples are keep always silence. I don't know what is the purpose of this class. Hmm? So after the lockdown is getting over, you have to do. So coming to Android Studio, you just go to File, click New. You open one new project. Open on new project. You just click the basic activity and then click Next. You give your name. So open to the main activity file. That is layout file. Where it is in the layout file? It is in the res folder. Okay. So coming to this app folder, we are having 3 folders: manifest, Java, and res folder. From this res folder, we have to go for designing an activity. We have to go. We have to go in the layout. Okay. So from that layout, you have to open the main activity file. Okay, you just use the text view control which is reside in the palette window. You just choose the text view control and then button control. Okay, one text view control and one button control. After that, you come into the XML file.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
XML file. So in the top right corner, we are having a code. Okay, so from this code column, from this code tab, you have to click. So after that, it will be entering into an XML file. Okay, so here we have to type 2 lines. You just type this. You just type this line. Spinner. Ankit.
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, tell me again once, ma'am. It was not sounding correctly, ma'am.
My voice is not audible.
My side, ma'am, network issue, ma'am. That's why it was lagging, ma'am. You say me again, ma'am. How to new project then, ma'am?
Okay, you go to Android Studio.
Yeah, ma'am.
Then in the from the layout, you have to go. You have to click text view control. You have to choose text view control. One text view control. Okay, one button control, and then we have to create one more control, that is spinner control. So the spinner control is not available in my palette. If you are having a spinner control in your palette, you can just choose the spinner control from the palette. Or else if you don't find the spinner control in the palette, we can create a spinner control with the help of XML coding, right? So in the text view control, one button control, and then one more control is spinner control. So this spinner in palette, if you find any spinner control, means you just drag and drop, or else we can create that spinner control in our XML coding itself. Is it clear? Can you able to follow? Janani, can you able to follow, ma? Jayasree?
Yes, ma'am.
Kartika? You people are using Android Studio, Kavin?
Yes, ma'am.
How many of you using Android Studio right now? You give it in the chat window. Let me know. How many of you using? Janani, Suraj, Jayasree, Kartika. Neha, Gopal. Okay, fine. Good. Good numbers. Ritesh, Abhirami, Sweta, Arun, make it fast. Just simply listening. Asavirani, you have installed Android Studio? Okay. So, okay. So, after dragging that text view control, button control, okay, from the design palette, if you find, how many of you find the spinner control in the palette? How many of you find spinner control in the palette? Give it in the chat window. How many of you find? Sweta, Ankit also finding spinner control. Okay, fine. You just simply drag and drop. What about Janani, Jayasree, Abhirami? Do you find spinner control in the palette? So Neha is not getting spinner control in the palette. Janani also. Okay. Gopal Kumar. What about Suraj Kumar? Are you finding spinner control in your palette? Suraj is finding. Okay. Suraj is having spinner control. Suraj, what version you are using? Android 4.0 or some other version? Suraj, Ankit, what version you are using? Android Studio. So, okay, those who are not getting spinner control in the palette, you just follow my step. Go to the, that is our XML part, okay. So, activity underscore main.xml file, you go to that file, you just manually type that control, which I was highlighted, okay. You just type this 3 lines, it is enough. Less than symbol, spinner, Android colon ID is equal to at plus ID slash, you can give your own name for your Android spinner control, and then you can set the height and width of your spinner control. You just type these 3 lines. Have you typed? Make it fast. You just type these 3 lines which was highlighted. Okay. Spinner Android ID is equal to at plus ID slash SP1 and then Android layout width and then Android layout height. It's enough. The remaining these lines not needed. Typed. Typing or not? All of you got your spinner control? Ankit, Janani, you just unmute and tell.
Ma'am, just drag and drop, ma'am. That, ma'am.
Ma'am, typing, ma'am.
Okay, for Ankit, there is no problem. It's okay. Janani, Abhirami, those who are working, make it fast. So it is 3 line. So it takes 2 to 3 minutes. We don't waste our time. You just copy that code from the text view control itself. You don't type in the text view. It is automatically generated, right? Android colon ID at plus ID, right? You just copy and paste it. So instead of text view, you can just give the spinner control. Okay. So instead of text view control, we can give the name as spinner. Is it okay? Have you typed these 3 lines?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. You just close it. Okay. You just put slash and then greater than symbol. After that, we have to write some functionalities. Okay. So what is the action to be performed for this activity? Okay. So what we are going to do means, so so what is the purpose of that spinner control means? This spinner control gives a list of items. Okay, so from this list of items, the user can choose any one of the item. Okay, so to getting the input from the user in the form of list, whereas in the edit box, the user can type the input. Okay, is it clear? In the edit box, as a input in the form of typing the text. Okay, so if the user don't want to type the text, okay, you can give the predefined set of inputs, so that inputs can be given in this spinner control. For example, to getting the degree which you was studied in UG. Okay, so while we registering a registration form, okay, for your placement, it will be asking for in which degree you have studied in UG. Okay, you can give BSc or you can give BCA or you can give BCom CA, like that we can give a different degrees. Okay, so that type of inputs can be get with the help of this spinner control. Okay, so this spinner control provides. Can you able to see the simulator?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone? Okay. So what we have designed? One spinner control. So this yellow color box view control, and then we are using one button, that is next button. Okay. So while we clicking in this spinner control, it will be providing a list. Can you able to see? So what are the degrees? BE, BTech, MCA, MS, MTech, MBA. So these are all the list. Okay, so from this list, the user can choose any one of the field from this list. Okay, so when I am choosing this MS, so this MS is get in this text view control. So after clicking this next activity, so this MS input is passing to the next activity. Okay, so this is our second activity. So from the second activity, it will be displaying, and then we have a one toast message. You all of you listen or not? Can you find the toast message in the second activity? So once again, I
Toast
am showing
message.
the demo.
Ma'am.
Wait. What, Ankit?
Ma'am, toast message only when you will it will give message for a small time. That's only toast, no ma'am.
Seen in the second activity form. Okay, you just listen, just clicking the spinner control. So I am choosing this MTech. Okay, so this MTech will be displayed in this text view control. So this MTech is given as an input from the user. Okay, so after clicking this next activity button, this MTech text will be sent to the next activity. Is it clear? So can you able to see this toast message? Second activity MTech. And also in the second activity, we are having one text view control, one more text view control. So from the first activity, what the user is giving as an input, that is to be get in the second activity. Okay, so this is our app we have to create today. Okay, so for that, what is the coding to be performed? Let me see. Okay, so for displaying a list, we need an array. Okay, for displaying a list, we need an array. So for that array, we are using a string array. So that array is in data type of string. Okay, so we are just creating a string array. Okay, string. Okay, and then we are putting an array symbol. Okay, so after that we have to give a name for the string array. So what I have given means I have given degree. Is it clear? So from this degree array, string array, we are giving some set of values. So what is displayed while I am running? BE, BTech, MCA, MS, MTech, MBA. Is it okay? So can you understand what is the purpose of this first statement? We have to display a list. Okay, we have to display a list. So for that list, we have to create an array. Okay, so what we are creating means we are creating a string array. Okay, so after that we are using a button control, right? We are using a button control. Okay, so for that we have to create a one object, right? So in activity, okay, so in this activity we are having a button. Okay, so if we want to use this button means we have to create an object. Okay, so for that we have to create an object. Okay, so button is a class and then BT. Okay, so next, so we have to perform coding in onCreate method. So onCreate is an entry point of our program. OnCreate is an entry point of our program. So where we have to do our coding, from this set content view, we have to do our coding. So all are in the line, all are listening.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So from the set content view, we have to type our coding. So what is our duty? We have to get the input from the spinner control, right? So to access that spinner control from the layout, we have to use find view by ID. Okay. So from the layout file, we have to find the controls. So this is the statement to getting the control from the layout. Is it clear? So here final and then spinner. Okay, spinner is a class and then we have to create an object for the spinner class. That is spin is an object for the spinner class. So after that find view by ID. Okay, so r dot id dot sp1 means, so sp1 is a spinner control name which was given in this activity file. Okay, so here all are listening. sp1 is a spinner control. Okay, so the spinner control is where it is in? It is in the layout file. Okay, so we have to access this control from the layout file means we have to use find view by ID method. Okay, find view by ID r.id.sp1. Is it clear? Can Can you understand this line? Make it fast. Anyone having doubt in this line? In this code? No doubt is coming.
Ma'am, show me the code, ma'am.
All are understood.
Show code, ma'am.
So this is the code. So far we have seen. We just create an array string. Okay. So what is the purpose of this array string? We have to display a list in the spinner control. Okay. So to provide a list in the spinner control, so that list, okay, can be created as a string array. After that we have to use a button control. Okay. To if you want to use the control in the layout file, means for that control you have to create an object. Okay, so for that we are creating a button object. After that, coming to the onCreate method. So this onCreate method is a main method for an Android activity. Next, below the set content view line, we have to get the spinner control from the XML layout. Okay, so this is the statement to get the control from the activity. Okay, so after that we have to create a button control, getting the button control from the activity file also. So for that, bt button find view by id or .id.bt1. So bt1 is a control which is in the activity file. Okay, so this is bt1. Okay, bt1. So this is the button name which is in the activity file. So after getting the button control and the spinner control, what we have to do means we need an adapter. We need an adapter. We have already created a string array. Okay, so this string array is to be placed in string array in a spinner control. So with the help of adapter only, we can place a list of values in any control. If you want to display more than one values in a control, means we need an adapter. Is it clear? We need an adapter. So what is the use of that adapter means? We need an adapter. What is the use of that adapter means? This adapter holds the values which is to be displayed in the So for that we have created an array adapter. Okay, so this is list one is an object for this array adapter class. New array adapter. Context of this. So what is the purpose of this means? Is it audible?
Yes, ma'am.
So we have to create an array adapter. Okay, so array adapter list one is equal to new array adapter. Okay, so this represents the this activity. Okay, this represents this activity. So what is the activity? Main activity. Okay, and then we have to display, we have to give the design of this list. Okay, so what is the design means? Simple spinner item. Simple spinner item. Simple spinner item. So the second argument is in what type of the list is to be displayed. So what we are giving means that design type is simple spinner item, and then in the array adapter what is to be filled. Okay, so what is to be filled in the array adapter? That is string array degree. Is it clear? So we have to create an adapter. So that adapter is an array adapter. Array adapter object list one is an object name for this array adapter, new array adapter. So it accepts 3 argument. The first accept is the first parameter is where this array adapter is to be used. Where this array adapter is to be used. For this activity, this array adapter is used. And then second one is in which format the list is to be displayed. In which format the list is to be displayed. So android.or.layout.simple spinner item. So this is the style. This is the style to display the list item. And then the third argument is what is the list to be displayed. What is the list is to be displayed. Once again, my net. It is audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you understand this statement? Array adapter, what is the purpose of array adapter? And it accepts 3 arguments. What is the purpose? Anyone having doubt? Why do we need this array adapter? We cannot simply display the list of values in a control. Okay, so we have to place that list of values in one adapter, in one place, that is adapter. It acts as a data holder. It acts as a data holder. So with the help of this holder only, we can place the list of values in the spinner or some other controls. So it accepts 3 arguments. The first argument is for which activity this array adapter is created. So that is we are giving this. This means what? For this activity, this array adapter is created. And then the second one is what is the style to be displayed. Okay, what is the style to be displayed? And the third argument is what is the list to be displayed. Is it clear? Hello? Do you have
Yes,
any doubt? Do you have any doubt? Nobody is having doubt. Nandini Ishwari. Nandini Ishwari. Are you there? Manju. Manju, are you there? Shall I mark at absent for Manju, Nandini Ishwari? So it is audible or not?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
But these people are not in the class. They just simply switch on and they went somewhere. I think so. Nandini Ishwari is not giving response. Manju also is not giving response. Then how it is? These people are simply saying nothing is understand in Android programming class. We don't know anything. Like that, these people will giving comments. So while taking class, these people are not listening, doing nothing. Seema, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Are
ma'am.
you working in Android Studio or not now?
Ma'am, working, ma'am.
Working, okay. Do you find spinner control in the palette?
Ma'am, 1 second, ma'am. We'll check, ma'am.
Why you are not doing? Where you gone, Nandini Ishwari? And keep on repeating your name, but you keeping silence. Manju, your friend making call, huh? Ma'am is calling you, just attended. Ankit, you are having doubt? Array adapter is under Android widget base adapter. Ankit, I can't get your question. So what is the purpose of adapter means? If you want to display more than one values in an Android control. Okay. If you want to display more than one values in the Android control means you simply display set of values in the control. It is not possible. So with the help of adapter only, we can place more than one values in the Android control. Okay, so for that we are going for Android adapter. So after creating an array adapter, next we have to design how to display that list.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Janani?
Ma'am, array adapter example ஏதாவது இருந்தா சொல்லுங்க ma'am.
Just now I have shown the demo. For degree you are choosing, right?
Yes, ma'am.
For degree you are choosing, right? For example, you are go to restaurant. You are using Swiggy or some Zomato app. Okay. From that app, you are choosing a menu. Menu is dosa. Okay. So if you are choosing the dosa means again we are having a variety of dosa, right? Masala dosa, podi dosa, like that. So these list to be displayed. Okay. So to display that kind of list, we need a spinner control. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
For example, I'm clicking. So the list is getting displayed. All are listening or not? BE, BTech, MCA, MS, MTech, MBA. Can you able to see the list?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is a spinner control. To display the list of values, we need an adapter. Okay, we cannot directly display these values in the spinner control. So in the text view control, we just give a text to display at runtime. Whereas in the spinner control, okay, it holds more than one values. So for holding the more than one values, we need an adapter. So for that adapter, we have used array adapter. Okay, so for the array adapter having the first parameter is this, okay, and then the style of the spinner control, okay, and then what is the list to be displayed from the, okay. So next one is, so for this array adapter you have to set the view, okay, set the view, in which view it is to be displayed. For that, set drop down view resources, okay, set drop down view resources. So from that drop down view resources you have to select Android or .layout simple spinner drop down item. So this spinner control will display a simple drop down spinner drop down item. So that's all about this array adapter, and then setting the resources to this array adapter. So after that we have to link this spinner control and the adapter. For that, spin, okay, suppose spin is a spinner object, okay, dot set adapter. So what is the adapter to set for the spinner control? List 1, okay. So and then we have to set the listener. We have to set the listener for the spinner control. Why we have to set the listener for the spinner control? Why we have to set the listener for the spinner control? So this listener will watch always in the activity whether the user is using that particular control or not. So that is the use of using this listener control. Sit okay? Sit okay? Can you understand these two lines?
Yes, ma'am.
So spin is what? The spin is the object which is found in the layout. Okay. So from the spinner control you have to set an adapter. Okay. So for that we have to use a set adapter method. After that, which adapter you have to set? We have created a array adapter. So that array adapter is in the name of list 1. Okay. So spin dot set adapter. Okay. Then spin dot set on item selected listener. So what is the purpose of this line? So this listener will always watch whether the spinner control is used by the user or not. Okay. Spin dot set on item selected listener. What is the purpose of this statement? This listener will watch always whether the user is using that particular spinner control or not. Is it okay? Can you understand that line? Why no response?
Yes, ma'am.
Gopal Kumar, what is the doubt? Okay. So we can, okay, fine. So here we are creating a button class. Okay. For this button class, we have created an object BT. Is it okay? So using this BT object, we can get the button control from the layout file. using this BT. So what is BT? BT is an button object. Okay. So using this button object, we can get the controls from the layout. So coming to this point, okay, here in the one line statement itself, we have created spinner object. Spinner is a spinner class, and then spin object. Okay. So can you understand? Can you understand? Gopal Kumar.
Yes, ma'am.
To access the controls from the layout, we need an object. Okay. So with the help of that object only, we can access the controls from the layout. We cannot directly access the controls from the layout without object. Can you understand? What about remaining? ID of the spinner control you have to. So SP1 is our ID of our control, spinner control. SP1 is an ID of our spinner control. So using this SP1 only, you can get in the Java file. Where we can get means find view by ID. So find view by ID or dot ID dot SP1. So we are trying to get the spinner control. We are trying to get the spinner control from this XML layout with the help of find view by ID. Is it okay? Hello? You people are in the line or not? What about remaining students? What about remaining students? Are you listening? No doubt? No
No, ma'am.
doubt? No doubt? Are you having any doubt? So tomorrow we will see the remaining. Today, do you have any doubt? Subakamachi. Nikhil,
Yes, ma'am.
have you tried? Have you designed the first layout?
No,
You're
ma'am.
not
My
your
laptop
voice
is
is
not
no,
working, ma'am. It, it,
not working. So okay, fine. Manju, shall we end the session? Shall we end the session?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
okay, those who are having any doubt, you just say, or else you can. If you are not having any doubt, you can just leave.
Hello, ma'am. Hello,
Who is that, Nikhil?
ma'am. Kavin, ma'am.
Hmm. Tell me, Kavin.
Ma'am, மினி ப்ராஜெக்ட் இருக்குதுங்க மேம். நான் யூஜியில் பண்ணதுங்க மேம். அது ரன்னே ஆக மாட்டேங்குது மேம். அதான் மேம் பார்த்து செட் ஆகலைன்னு எனக்கு சொல்லுதுங்க மேம்.
என்னது?
மேம் அது ஒரு ஃபோல்டரில்
You are talking about Android.
எஸ் மேம் ஆண்ட்ராய்ட் ப்ராஜெக்ட் தான் மேம் பண்ணேன்.
But now it is not opening.
எஸ் மேம்.
You just share your screen.
மேம் நான் மொபைலாக லாகின் பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கேன் மேம். லேப்பில் அது ரன் ஆகிட்டு இருக்குதுங்க மேம். ஏதோ சி சி பாத் செட் ஆகலை, எஸ்டிகே வேலை செய்யலைன்னு வருதுங்க மேம்.
அதாவது what is the problem with that means you have developed in STK some other version in the lower
எஸ்
version.
மேம்.
Now you are trying to that open in the newer version means it will be telling version problem,
ஓகே
right?
மேம். அதாங்க மேம் டவுட்டுங்க மேம். ஓகேங்க மேம்.
You just go on in the configuration setting file, you just change the target version.
ஓகே மேம்.
Hmm? You change that setting in the configuration file, minimum STK
எஸ்டிகே
version,
மேம்.
maximum target STK version, like that it will be having in the older
ஓகே மேம்.
project. You have to change, okay, you
ஓகே
have
மேம்.
to change the version, minimum STK version,
மினிமம்
target
எஸ்டிகே.
STK version.
ஓகே மேம்.
Okay, so that is in
ஓகே
the
மேம்.
manifest file. Hmm?
ஓகே மேம்.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
தேங்க்யூ மேம்.
Hello. Anyone is having doubt? No doubt?